We all predicted disaster for Hong Kong after 97, and we all got it wrong, every single one of us. Hong Kong went very smoothly through the handover and has gone steadily upwards since then. The economy has really taken off. GDP has risen. The stock market has gone up. The health level has gone up. Hong Kong is one of the healthiest communities in the world. The longevity level has gone up. The pollution has dropped. So a lot of really wonderful things have happened. The Hong Kong government spent years trying to introduce universal suffrage, and then it was rejected by activist groups in 2014. So it was the Hong Kong government that was pushing a universal suffrage system. And it was the activists, many of whom were funded by overseas forces, they were the ones who rejected it. And now I think a lot of people think we kind of dodged a bullet, because if you look at the Western style democracies on the other side of the world, they don't seem to be very happy places. And you look at Asian democracies like Singapore, or like, mainland China itself is a type of democracy. And we find that these places are the ones that are thriving. And now major economists in the West and the East are saying that Asian democracy is actually a very good model for growth and development. The Greater Bay Area plan is amazing. You've got Hong Kong, which is the financial stock market capital of the world. You've got Shenzhen, which is the technology capital of the world. And then you've got this new hinterland, the GBA, which has a huge market. Put that all together and it makes an amazing recipe for success. I'm an optimist. I think Hong Kong is going to thrive. It's a low crime place and it's good at business. So I think it's going to thrive.